wait at the Turren cable station in Lungern for our cabin to take us up to Turren Mountain Station. There we spend a very short night because at 4 o'clock we have to get up again. It is the early morning at Turren. It is 4:30 and we go to check the sunrise. It is still quite dark, but yeah, soon we will get the light. It is 5:15 and we almost reached our point for the sunrise. It's quite a steep way up, but it's worth it. I just saw a rabbit, but they are so shy that he jumped away again. Oh, so schön. Crazy. Oh, you can see until the Vierwaldstättersee. I mean, look at the view. Oh, so schön. I could tell you what kind of flowers these are. Das da. Yeah, these are Knöterichs. I always want to call them Kröterichs. Yeah, but they are not frogs. You already know the best place, huh? Come. Ooh. Huh? Crazy nice. The first sun rays are coming over the hill. So that means the mountains get some color. Hi. I guess Rasta loves the Knöterichs. The Knöterichs. Oh, maybe come. Oh, the light now. Oh, crazy schön. Huh? They are anyway purple, but now with the sun. Crazy nice. You know, I hated to wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock. But this, with the light. Nee, every second du, ich sag's. Mega. So surreal. Hi baby, Ali. By the way, this is butterflies area. Yeah, we are maybe too early for them, but you can see many butterflies here. Zum Beispiel der kleine nördliche Würfelfalter oder der gelb-würfelige Dickkopffalter. Whee! Oh, wow. Rasta. You're a supermodel, du. Huh? I tell you now what we see from here. Oh, crazy view, oder? This is Lake Lungen. Yeah, there. And on the left you can see Lake Sonnen. And this is today's breakfast view. We finished our breakfast and now we hike down to Lungen. Come, baby. We come soon into cows area, and that means Rasta must be on the leash. I mean, when there are no mother cows, it is not a problem. Yeah, just walk by and then everything is okay. This is such a nice hike. And the hike takes about 4 hours. Yeah, when you take it easy. Yeah, and you meet also many cows here. And the views, meine oder, are extraordinary. Now it will be interesting because we have to walk through the cows, but we know it already. Rasta will bark when he feels uncomfortable. Yeah, already. Yeah, the cows are a little bit upset now. Stop. He don't like it when you follow him, okay? Stop. Yeah, they are so curious, you know. Gell? Ja. Hat er nicht gern. They still want to follow. But I can understand Rasta. I mean, the cows are so big and then they just run into him. Yeah, for sure he will bark. You are the most curious here, huh? So, they are so curious and the other one is follow us the whole way. You are young and stupid. Well?
so curious. And of course I have to protect Rasta. These are probably mother cows. Yeah, when they have calves on her side, like this one. Yeah. Then you have to be aware. Oh. When they come too close, you have to say stop. Yeah, you have to be the boss, you know? Yes. They understand this. I think the cow part is over. Yeah, it's more chilly now. And we will get some very nice views now in the next few corners. Yeah. And because the cow area is over, Rasta is allowed to run free again. Yeah, he is more comfortable right now. It is already very hot. Even though it is still early, it is 7:15. Yeah, but I guess that we already have 20 degrees, I would say. It's good, you can go. Yeah, I always check what is behind the corner. And apropos behind the corner, yeah, Lake Lungern again. So you see, to get back to Lake Lungern, you need to hike the whole hill down to the very end, and then you turn, yes, to the lake. So hop, hop. Rasta is already tired, I guess. Yeah, and when you turn, you see the nice mountain panorama. Yeah. You can see the Wellhorn from here and also the Wetterhorn. Yeah. From here you can already see our goal, Lungen. Also on this hike you have a lot of forest you could hike through, and this is very nice on a hot summer day. Very welcome. And maybe you get lost one day in the forest and you have no food. Check out the strawberries, the wild ones. Yeah, you can eat them. They're good. They taste so good. super. Are you ready for the view? Look. Crazy, oder? So cool and so close. Yeah, we are totally sweat. Ja, die Sonne drückt wie Sau. So now they take the salt. Crazy, oder? Ha! So close. You saw the butterfly on my hand, and do you know why they come on your skin sometimes? Because they take the salt. Yeah, that's why. I was once sitting at a lake, and then there was a butterfly about 10 minutes on my skin. Yeah, just, you know. After a path in the forest with many roots, we are back at the view. Ja, aber wie du? Oh. Now you see, as soon as the sun is here, Lake Lungen get its color. Huh? Yes. Hey Rasta, hast du Pause? You have a break? Yes? Yeah, you know where the good viewpoints are. Huh? Yeah, and if you want to go, check out the Schmetterlingspfad Lungen. Yeah, we are so close to our goal. Yeah. Yeah, as always, I will write a Patreon blog about it. Yeah, check it out. In the first comments you will find the link. Yeah, if you need more information. If not, just enjoy the video. You see this? Yeah, this is the half island of Lungen, where I always have good times with Rasta. Yeah, from far away. You see, she has a Stochel in there. Ooh, how dangerous. Of course, it gave me no peace, and at home I researched for you what will become of this caterpillar. And this is the caterpillar of a so-called labwort hawk moth. After 5 hours and 12 minutes, we see our parking. And let me do a little summary. We had a wonderful sunrise. We had nice knöterichs, beautiful butterflies, nice and very curious cows, wonderful views, and a crazy nice colored lake. So, judge now, was it okay? Yeah, I think you loved it. So, thanks for watching, and we see us in the next adventure. Bye bye.